Welcome to Module 15. With Module 15, I kind of want to talk about different layer styles. For example, over here, there are all different stuff you can do. So I'm going to click my Dodge Tool layer just to show you. These are all kinds of adjustments you can do. For example, hue and saturation. I can come in here and change. And notice it changes it everywhere. My entire Photoshop file. And if I put it one layer down, notice now my Dodge Tool layer is not affected. If I pull it down, now notice both of these layers are not affected. So this, if you put in the very top layer, it's going to affect your entire file. The lower you put it in your layers, the less of your file it will affect. But you can do these kinds of layer masks. I'm going to go ahead and just delete it. Here, let's add another one like black and white. And if you put it, everything you put in that layer, everything underneath, it's going to make it black and white. If you hit the eyeball, you can undo it. So these are great if you sometimes need to make adjustments to your entire file. Another one, levels. Levels is what you can add to make something lighter or darker. Sometimes we need to add the levels before we send a file to print to make it lighter, because it always prints darker than the image we see on screen. So that's levels. So there are a bunch here. Go ahead and play with it. There's photo filters, all kinds of stuff you can do. Also, there are effects. So let's zoom in a little bit. For example, if I want to come here and select my snake, let's do my rectangle marquee tool. This is our snake right here. I'm going to right click, duplicate group, return snake, dash flat. So I'm going to flatten this, merge this group. So right click, merge group. Now you can see it's one image, it's not a group. And I'm going to come here, FX. There's all different stuff you can do. I'm going to give it a drop shadow. So bottom option, drop shadow. This window pops up. You can tell it which angle you want it to come from. Distance. Let's make it a little bit darker so you can see a shadow is appearing here, a drop shadow. Spread, size. So sometimes we do drop shadows just to make something pop. There's also inner shadows, bevel and emboss, all kinds of stuff you can add just to play with it. That kind of looks cool. It's a leaf pattern. And here you can, if you double click, you can change different patterns. There's a water one. Let's see if we give it a water texture. There's all kind of like that one. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. There you go, before and after. So these are FX. So go ahead and play around with it. I'm going to turn black and white on. Also, there are different adjustments you can do here in the image adjustment as well. If you want to just adjust just one part, for example, if I want to make adjustments just to my snake, here, let me duplicate this layer. Instead of changing the entire Photoshop file like these do, I'm just going to make changes just to this layer. So image, adjustments, and here, let me change hue and saturation, for example. Let's make it way saturated. Changing the hue here. That looks pretty cool. Hit OK. And you can see it only affected this layer. It didn't affect anything else. So that is individually adjusting just that layer. So go ahead and play around with it. Shift Command 4 when you are done, and upload it to eCadence.